could be taking control, yeah.
If you want quick load times and stunning visuals up to 120 frames per second, I've got you. You want to go digital? So your games, saves, and backups are all saved in the cloud safely, giving you the ability to not worry about scratches on discs, to not worry about discs not working. I've got you. You want your Xbox game, no matter what console it's from, to be optimized graphically? I've got you. You want the next evolution in audio technology using 3D spatial sound? I've got you. You want a console that doesn't take up space and is as quiet as a mouse? I've got you. Don't let the size fool you. This thing packs a punch. I present to you, ladies and gentlemen, the Xbox Series S.
calling to say I just calling to say I
stunning visually with the beautiful black grating on top of the fan. Visually and performance wise, the Xbox Series S is definitely a game changer. If you enjoyed the unboxing, don't forget to drop a thumbs up as well as hitting that subscription button down below. If you're interested in buying an Xbox Series S, I'll leave a link down in the description. Go check it out and purchase one for yourself. Also, if you have a Series S or a Series X, tag me on social media. Instagram will be down in the description as well. Have a lovely day. Now let's get gaming. Game on.